Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Esther the King's wife. Yes, is moi. And today is officially my first time on YouTube and my first time and my first intro. Yay, guys! It has been a long time. I wanted to go on YouTube. Guys, I'm a bit nervous. It has been a long time that I wanted to go into YouTubing, to be a Nigerian YouTuber. Guys, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Okoti, Odepe, in Anambra State. And it's officially my first intro. Please guys, please support me, support your girl. Please support me. This channel is going to be all about, we are going to explore Onitsha, Okoti here and Onitsha, because Onitsha and Okoti is actually the same thing. Okoti is Obaru local government area of Anambra State, and I live in Okoti. Okoti is Odepe town. So and guys, I know that this video is just going to be a flop, but this is my first time on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and please press that notification bell to be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, see you. I love you all. Bye.